Well, welcome back to the Steve Rob Show. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a product that I bought. You can see I got it on the Amazon here. And this is it right here. Guys, I'm going to try this out. Now, of course, the box is empty here. And of course, you guys have been following the show. No, I don't buy one. I always buy two. Okay, so what's the deal here? This is the Moultrie all-in-one programmable feeder kit. And I'm going to talk about this a bit. But first of all, I remember a vid I did way back in last November. I believe it was November the 23rd. Me and my buddy Wyatt One Able, the American Hobo, and guys, I remember a comment. It's amazing how I can remember comments from way back, and comments matter. So this one fella said to me, he liked the vid and that kind of stuff, and I was introducing an LED light that just, guys, it was a total fail in the vid. But in the description, I did put down that, you know, the light was fine after. And what had happened was, and I'm going to get to why I'm talking about this. What had happened is that there was a on, off, and auto. When you turn it to the on, it's supposed to stay on. But it didn't. It only went on for 15 seconds and shut off. And that was the problem. So I fooled around with the light, and the switch was a little defective. I guess maybe there might have been the contacts weren't clean or something. But after that, it worked fine, and it cycled off and on. You know, it's only supposed to go on when it's dark, and you can adjust the sensitivity and this kind of stuff. And the light did work. So I just thought I'd let you know that. And one of the comments was, you know, maybe you don't understand how the light works. Well, yeah, I understood how the light works really good. And in that particular video, it made it look like the light was a piece of garbage. But no, actually, it worked fine after that. But in my initial test, when I show you something, when I review something, you're going to see it just like the way I show it. Nothing is staged here. So that's the way it is. And this particular product's the same thing. This is just an empty box. But I thought I would try this. Now, if you're curious at all, you can look in my playlist for up at my cabin or up at my camp. And man, I had problems with bears. And I did one vid about fixing, I got these blue poly barrels, and I tried filling them with grain, and I'd put a fancy snout on it and everything else, you know, as a deer feeder. And guys, total fail. Guys, that was a total fail. I got bears up the wazoo there, and yeah, bears completely destroyed them barrels. So I had to fix them all up. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get this one here and the other one down there, and I'll show you how they work. Well, I'm not going to show you how they work. This is a review where I don't show you how it works. Okay, but I'll just show you a little bit. Now guys, this is the inside of it, and it will operate as a timer. And guys, they actually, and the good part is the instructions are on the bottom, but they actually give you the batteries too. And all this is like a spinner. And in the top here, you could see it's like a funnel shape. And it's got these three little things you can pull out, and you can mount it. So just imagine I got a barrel, and a blue barrel. You can take a look in the vids if you want. It's a blue barrel like this. And I'm going to mount them to the bottom. And one I'm going to mount where the rock is. You guys never seen that rock? That's from my hunting vids. And I made this ladder to go up the rock. Well, just off to the one side, I'm going to do some improvements on that this year. And I'm going to hang it between two trees so the bears can't get to it. And in my field, I'm going to make like a stand and have the barrel hang from a wooden stand so that the bears can't get at it. And the whole idea of this is the corn will go down, and I'll program this to just, I believe it's 6 times a day. Don't quote me on that, but I believe you can operate this 6 different times a day. I've read different reviews on this. Guys, so far, this is fantastic from what I've seen in the reviews. But I'm going to do this to the bottom of the barrels. I'll mount it up there, and I'm going to try it. And then in the fall, I'll do a review and see how this worked out. mean, this uses 4 AA batteries, and from what I see, people are saying they're lasting about 4 months, and that'd be fine for me. So there's also a port on the side here, and I'll take this out so you can see here. Yeah, there's a port right there where you can put a charge line in and run it off of solar. Guys, I have a lot of solar panels, like a lot of small ones that would be fine for this purpose. And of course, I guess, I'm not too sure, I'll have to read up on it, but whether you're charging the batteries in here, that I would have to change to a rechargeable battery, or whether you take the batteries out and use an external battery. I'll have to look into that and see. But for now, I'm going to try this. And if you guys want to check it out, I'll put a link down below of what I bought. And guys, I think I paid like 45 bucks. I think it was 45 bucks up here. So I'm going to try it. Any of you guys have tried this kind of thing before? I'd be very interested to hear what your results are. And this little gizmo here just spreads the corn. And we'll try that. So now I'm working on this here today, and I can't figure this thing out either, guys. This rivet gun will cycle back and forth, and the jaws in here are good, but it will not pull a rivet. So that's another project I'll be doing in the future. But yeah, when I'm doing a review, don't take it too seriously. I mean, guys, yeah, don't take too seriously of anything I do on this channel. But I'm going to give these things a go, and we'll see how they work out. So thanks for joining me here today, and subscribe if you like. And, you know, it's completely optional. So you guys take care. Come back again. Let's have some more fun. Cheers, guys.